I've been using OpenAI's free and unlimited text-to-speech tool in order to create these little documentaries. So I'm going to show you real quick. Before I show you guys how to use that tool, I just want you to take a look at this little documentary that I just made, and I want you to see how real the voiceover sounds and how good it sounds when you make it into a documentary. And then I'm going to show you exactly how to use that free and unlimited text-to-speech tool that OpenAI has. So just check out how good this voiceover sounds.
In 1991, a modeling competition unfolded in New York that would later reveal a troubling pattern of conduct within the fashion industry. This is the story of the elite model management scandal and the events that took place around the Look of the Year competition. The year was 1991. Elite Model Management, founded by John Casablancas, hosted its annual Look of the Year competition, a global search for the next generation of supermodels. The contest offered young women, many of them minors, some as young as 14, a chance at fame and fortune. But behind the glitz and glamour lurked unsettling truths that would emerge only years later. On September 1st, 1991, aboard the yacht Spirit of New York, a private party took place featuring scores of teenage contestants in formal dresses and short outfits. Some participants were only 14. According to investigations, older men, some old enough to be the girls' fathers or even grandfathers, joined them on the dance floor in ways that witnesses later described as deeply inappropriate.
All right, guys, so that was just a quick little preview of what you're able to make with these voiceovers. I just wanted to show you how good the quality is and how real it sounds. So I will put the link in the description as well as the pinned comment, so you guys can click on that link and you'll be able to go straight here where you can create these voiceovers for free. So right here in the prompt box is where you're going to put your prompt. This is from the script of that documentary, so I'll just be using that to show you guys as an example. And I'm going to go ahead and paste it in right here, and then emotion style, so you could tell this tool how you want the voiceover to be read. What type of emotion do you want the voiceover to be read in? And for that documentary, I believe I put like mysterious, disturbed, and saddened or something like that. And then when you click on the voice right here, these are all the different voices that you can choose from. So you have 13 voices to choose from, so you don't have a huge selection. But as you heard from that little documentary that I just played, the voices sound very good. They sound very real. So it's a nice little tool to be able to use, and it's completely free for you guys to use. Nothing really to complain about. So anyways, we'll just go ahead and take a look at a couple of these voices. And I also want to show you, if you guys encounter a problem where it says it's not generating the audio or you get an error message, I'm going to show you exactly why that's happening. So for the voice, we could just choose any voice just to preview it. Now I'll just choose Onyx right here, and I have it as disturbed and saddened. And I'm going to show you the difference of the emotional styles, because it really does adhere to these emotions, the instructions that you put for the emotions. So we'll click on generate, and I'll show you this, and then I'll show you what you can do. You can speed up the pace as well. So if you type in, so it's already generated that, but if you type in how fast you want, if you say quick paste, it's going to read the script faster. So let's just go ahead and play this.
In 1991, a modeling competition unfolded in New York that would later reveal a troubling pattern of conduct within the fashion industry. This is the story of the elite model management scandal and the events that took place around the Look of the Year competition.
So you can hear it's really good. It might have like a really slight undertone of a sort of like a robotic type. But the thing is, the reason why I wanted to show you that little documentary clip in the beginning that I was working on is because when you pair it with a little bit of background music, you don't really even notice that little slight undertone of the robotic type voice or whatever you want to call it. So you don't even notice that. Once you pair it with a little bit of background music, it'll be all fine. That was the emotional style of disturbed and saddened. Now, if I say something like happy and quick paste, just to show you the difference, I'm going to click on generate audio. I just want to show you guys, it really does adhere to the instructions that you put in under emotional style. So make sure that you're choosing the right type of tone for the voiceover that you need.
In 1991, a modeling competition unfolded in New York that would later reveal a troubling pattern of conduct within the fashion industry.
This is the story of the elite model management scandal and the events that took place around the Look of the Year competition.
Okay, so that was the same exact voice, and you can see how much of a difference it is just by changing that emotional style. Now we can just go through here and we could choose a totally different voice just to see what type of variations you can get. So this is Dan, and then I'm going to change this once again. I'm going to say something more like mysterious and somber, and I'll go ahead and generate the audio. So I just want to give you guys some ideas of the different types of emotional styles you can use and the different types of voices that you can use.
1991, a modeling competition unfolded in New York that would later reveal a troubling pattern of conduct within the fashion industry. This is the story of the elite model management scandal and the events that took place around the Look of the Year competition.
So there you go. That's mysterious and somber. And like I said, you could change up the pace. Now, I want to show you guys one thing that you might encounter if you're having a problem. So I'm going to come over here to the script, and I'm just going to highlight this whole script. Copy this and come back over here, and I'm going to paste in the entire script from that little documentary. I'll paste that in. Now, as you can see, if I scroll up, you'll see this is the whole script. So now we'll go with Nova. Let's try Nova, and I'm going to click on generate audio. Now, as you can see right here under status, it says failed to generate audio. Please wait for a second and try again. You could wait a second and you could try again, but most likely the same thing is going to happen. So as you can see, the same thing happened. And the reason for that, what I found was, I think you need to limit how much you're putting in. So the way that I was solving this problem was all I was just doing 2 paragraphs at a time. So let me just delete the rest of this. So I removed the rest of that script and just left the first 2 paragraphs. And the way that I got around it, I just generated 2 paragraphs at a time. It's a little bit of a pain, but at the end of the day, we get to do this completely for free. So it's hard to complain. Now I'm going to run it, and I'm going to click generate audio now. And we should be able to get our voiceover now that we removed the rest of that script. So there we go. As you can see, now it generated it successfully. So yeah, if you guys are encountering that problem where it's saying that it's failed to generate the audio, just do it 2 paragraphs at a time, download each clip, and then just clip it, and then just string it all together. Like as you can see in CapCut, this voiceover is a compound clip because I had to put it. This is 2 paragraphs at a time. I just joined them all together and highlighted it and turned it into a compound clip. So now it's just all one voiceover, just like that. But that's what you can do to get around that problem. If it keeps saying failed to generate, you just have too much text in there. Just remove it and just put in 2 paragraphs at a time. Yeah, just play around with the emotional style, guys, because this can really change the tone of this voiceover, and it can just make it a totally different sounding voiceover. Don't forget, I'm going to put the link in the description and in the pinned comments. And yeah, hopefully that helps you guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.